Often in indie games, the sound effects can seem repetitive and stale. One of the main reasons is we frequently use the same sound on things that repeat often. For example, in my current project, while looking for a sound that triggers when I place a block, I found this one. And while it sounds alright, the repetitiveness of the same sound playing over and over and over again kinda hurts your ears. The way many games deal with this is they have a different but similar sound, so the repetitive feel is broken up with the small variations. This is noticeable in Minecraft, where almost every action, including walking, has several similar sound effects that play randomly. Now you could try and find or make sounds that are all distinctly different but similar. This is for sure harder, but definitely better. Or if you're feeling lazy, efficient, then you can just use one sound and adjust its pitch slightly in both directions to make two new sounds. Then just randomize between these three pitches and your sounds will be so much better for it. I hope this tip helps improve your game sounds. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.